Merry meet magical souls and welcome back to another magical video. I am so excited for this video, guys. Just a little in-depth in my spiritual journey and everything. I purified a great deal of karma. Not that I haven't already, but a big chunk for finally clearing and figuring out the reason of why I couldn't have good internet in my house, because I do live in the mountains and there's just a whole lot of backstory to it. But long story short, after all these years, it's finally fixed, guys. I have steady, stable, reliable internet, so I can just film, upload in peace, and just have so much fun doing what I love doing, guys. Creating YouTube videos, Instagrams, TikToks, and one of the most exciting things is working on my spiritual online Etsy store. So I'm so excited, guys. Just so happy I lifted that veil of karma, and now I can start working on doing some cool things. So if you guys haven't already, be sure to check out Mystic Priestess in the comment section and description box down below, which is my Etsy store that has all things magical and divine, and as well as some little fun things too, some jewelry. I'm going to be working on making some fun jewelry stuff and just neat things you guys need for your rituals, your herbs, maleficence, all right here. So it's basically like a spiritual shop, guys, where you can buy your herbs, your ingredients, some cute magical jewelry that'll help protect you and enhance your intuitive gifts. And I'm just so excited, guys, that I finally get to launch and work on that. I do have some things up and some tarot card readings that you guys can get as well. And besides that, I'm just so happy that it's up and running, so I can go ahead and make some neat things. I have some fun magical things coming soon, some potions, and something that involves crystals. So enough with the rambling, let's just get into the haul video. The main haul piece of what I'm gonna haul isn't physical, you can't see it, but it is my stable internet, guys, and my Wi-Fi. I'm so happy that it is working and it's great, and I'm able to just film content and be active on YouTube, Instagram, and now TikTok. So I'm so happy, guys. So Maleficent wants to just make her little face known and appear. You're so cute. Hi, Maleficent. She just wants to let everyone know that she's here. And I did buy a bunch of stuff, guys. I guess I'll categorize everything. I think I'm gonna do the fun video game stuff first. So for video games with the new PlayStation that I got, the PS4, I just got all these games, guys. So I got the Spider-Man Marvel game, guys. It's really hard to play. I hope I get better at it, but I'm at that part with the boss you gotta kill, so I'm on that part on Spider-Man. I got Soul Calibur and a Tekken bundle, so Soul Calibur is so much funner than Tekken. Oh, and another thing I can't wait to do is some gaming videos, guys. I want to do like a custom character walkthrough and all my Soul Calibur characters, and like character evolution in Diablo, just like so many fun things. I can't wait to film some gaming videos. My sister saw this game and it looked like so much fun, so we got this Final Fantasy game as well. It's the new one, Final Fantasy VII Remake, so I got that one. I thought this was a different Devil May Cry game, guys, but it ended up being the 1, 2, and 3 that you could play on the 4, so I wanted this game, but I wanted a different Devil May Cry game, but I'm happy this is in my arsenal. And then I got this Horizon game, mostly because my sister really wanted to play it, and then I got Crew 2 for my brother because he wanted to play this game too, so happy. Out of all the games I do currently have, guys, I think Diablo is my favorite, and then sometimes I like playing Soul Calibur, and there's another game that I'm totally brain fart and can't think of, but those games are so much fun, and I'm gonna get a bigger 50-inch TV soon, and I can't wait to use that and to play Minecraft a little bit, but I think Diablo is going to be more my spiel, and I want to see this other game that's coming in the mail too that I ordered. I also got this controller stand, guys, so it'll help me charge these two controllers at once, which is really nice, and I did get a new PS2 controller too, so now I have 3 of them. So now me and my siblings and the whole family can play on the PlayStation if we wanted to. I'm so happy about that, guys, and I love how these can just charge when we gotta eat, take breaks, do cleaning, go out of the house, get these charged, and when we come back and want to play, we can just play our games in peace. I'm just so happy about that. So that's done with the gaming stuff, guys. I think I'm gonna do spiritual items last. Now I'm gonna show some like fun fashion things. So this thin necklace I'm wearing, guys, I actually got on Etsy. And I do have more stuff I ordered on Etsy that aren't here yet too. But I did get a bunch of different chains. So this one is a 16 to 18 inch adjustable chain. I got this. I got a 14 inch one that's too tiny for my neck. I gave my sister. I ordered different lengths, but they're kind of all a similar length to this, even though it's 16, 18, 20. Oh my god, my light's gonna fall, guys. Did you see that? Ah, my ring light's like breaking. It's like the ring light's okay, but the stand, the part the light sticks on, it's a little wonky. We got duct tape that ghetto YouTuber problems. Long story short, guys, I want to order, I think, a 30-inch, just like longer chain. It's so hard to order online, but I did order some new chains for my different necklaces and pendants from the Witch's Moon. So thank you so much to the Witch's Moon for all my beautiful spiritual jewelry. Now I can adjust them with my chains. I just gotta get a different size one. The one I wanted to get from them was sold out on their website. But anyways, guys, with the fun stuff, I did get these two velour tracksuits, guys. I have worn them a couple times and I've washed them. This isn't a good show. Basically, it's just, you know, like the matching pants and the jacket. It's just nice velour tracksuit in black and then in gray. This doesn't look good, guys, but you guys get it. I got those two. More stuff on Etsy. I forgot to tell you guys too. I got the Toiletry 26 pouch insert. So I ordered that on a long gold chain. That's going to look pretty to hold my Toiletry 26. Make it a shoulder bag with the velour suits and the new purses and stuff I'm going to show you guys. I'm happy because it's just early 2000s vibes is coming back. And it's just so like fitting, like perfect for right now, if that makes sense. Like with the state of the world and you guys know what happened. You don't carry a lot when you leave. Everything's shut down, so you literally need something cute like this that I just got yesterday. Something nice, cute, and small. This is a little Coach Baguette bag. It reminds me of those little Louis Vuitton pochettes, guys. So happy to have this one. It's so cute, and honestly, all you need to do is like put your phone, but since I have two phones, one for like calling and texting and one for filming and influencer stuff, I can put my two phones in here, a little lotion and a little compact or a little holy water if I want, and I'm all set. It's just, you know, quick, simple, minimal, and it's just so comfy to wear those tracksuits. They're so soft, guys, and then I'm happy to have this cute little bag. So happy, it's so cute and trendy. I feel like everything in fashion always comes back, guys, and I could see the reason for it. It's just like some things are just nice and iconic, so I'm so happy. I also got this Coach Baguette bag. I think it's called the Coach Georgie, and it's just like this kind of velvety material that's similar to the tracksuit, so I can be all comfy in my tracksuit, have the couple things I need on my shoulder, in and out, go live my day-to-day life with ease. So this is what it looks like, guys. I just love how it looks. It gives me such regal, strong, old, rich money vibes. It's giving me some cool vibes. I just really love that, and I'm so happy that I have that one, guys. And my coworkers teamed up for Chinese New Year, and they ended up getting me this wristlet too from Coach. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's kind of hard to see, but it's just a white little logo wristlet, and you can never have enough of these. You just throw your phone in there with a little money, you're in and out, and you can go. But one thing I do like about these other ones, guys, is that you can fit a little bit more, how it's wider. This one I could fit a lot more. This one's a little less, but I could fit two phones and a lotion. I feel like with hand sanitizer, / it being winter, I just need that lotion. My hands have been like bleeding, cracking and stuff, so really gotta keep my hands moisturized, or they're gonna look all nasty and gross. I got cat hair all over me. You guys probably can't see it, but when my cat came, I just feel all the itchy stuff. So I got that, and speaking of that, I bought so much allergy medicine and itchy eye drops, guys, because with the weather changing and allergies, I bought a bunch of medicine because I needed that. And on to the most funnest part of this haul. Releasing the ego is things I don't need, no one needs for your spiritual practice, but it doesn't hurt no one. Especially in Samsara, it's nice to start getting some cute magical items. I did get this sphere from a local crystal shop, so I'm so happy, guys. This is a Celestine sphere. It's got angelic energy. It connects you to the angels, totally throat chakra, the sky, even could represent the sea too. It's just so beautiful. Got it for such a good deal, and I'm just so in love with this, guys. And I realized you can't see my jewelry, but oh well. I took my rings off because I was doing some cleaning and vacuuming, but oh my god, guys, this is so beautiful. I'm just so happy with it and can't wait to use it. It's on my altar, and I'm sure you guys are going to see my TikTok. I did a little, as I'm filming for you guys right now, a haul video. I did a luxury haul purchase of 2021 with my luxury bags, and then I did a little spiritual haul with the fun luxury stuff that I'm going to haul to you guys on YouTube. So if you want to see those cool edits I made, be sure to check out my TikTok at prince_eric. And I was so happy, guys. Like, look at these crystals. They're so pretty. And I got them for such a good deal. I'm just shocked. Some crystal shops were really charging an arm and a leg, guys. I so want to go to the Tucson Gem Show or a wholesale gem show sale and just get a crap ton of crystals. I want like a bunch for all my plants outside, out around my house, surrounding my property, and just big statement pieces like this, but buy it in bulk. So I just have a bunch for my room, bathroom, kitchen, outdoor deck and everything, but I'm just so happy. This is a huge raw piece of Lemurian quartz crystal. I think they polished like the top and a little bit, the lapidary did, but mostly, guys, you can see there's so much Lemurian lines on here. I don't know if you could see. There we go. You could kind of see there. And I got a little crystal growth right here, if you guys can see. There's another little piece of the crystal. And there's rainbows in it. I'm just so happy. And when I touched this at the store and I was connecting to the lines, because these lines that go across are considered to be energy, like teachings and knowledge program from the priest and priestesses back in the day when the fall of Atlantis and Lemuria happened. They encoded all the crystals with the energy. So that's a little story if you guys don't know. I learned that from Athena and other spiritual people on YouTube and Instagram and books. So when I was holding the crystal and I was connecting to it, I totally felt the energy within. So I can't wait to work with these guys. I've just been so busy on working and getting everything settled to get my internet fixed. Like, life as you guys know it for all of us is like kind of crazy. So I'm finally getting back into the groove of like getting things fixed, set up, and started. And I can't wait when I have some more time to connect with these crystals. But I love them. I'm so happy, and I'm blabbering too much. Sorry about that. And speaking of things getting ready, like getting the shop back up took a hot minute. So yeah, I'm just so happy, guys, for all the future things coming. I got a bunch of incense. This one is lavender, and the brand is Sata Natural Incense. And this is, I think, a brand that's over in the eastern side of the world, like Nepal, Tibet, India. I think these might come from India. They smell so good. Lavender's good, guys, but if I'm honest, the jasmine one smells better. I like the jasmine more. I got the spiritual mantra that smells really good. The Egyptian musk is also okay. But the golden sandalwood is different because I gotten different types of sandalwood from them before, but the golden one has a little umph to it, a little something different. And then the tree of life is really peaceful. So those are all the incense I got, guys, and I think that's pretty much everything I got besides the other stuff I ordered on Etsy and Amazon. I think I ordered a new fire stick for like the TV, and then I ordered a new video game, Jump Force 2, and then I got some other stuff on Etsy besides the purse organizer and the purse chain. I forget what else I ordered, but I ordered other stuff. But basically, that's everything that I got, and a little life update, guys. I don't want all the videos on my YouTube channels to be haul. In the future, when I can do things and like get more things settled, worked on, I want to do, like you guys know and have heard me say for years, I want to do like, for like in the month, guys, for the whole month of, let's say, June, I would want for like 1 week a video could be a haul video, then the next video is a vlog, then I can have a spiritual video, then I can have like a challenge video or something like fun that's like human and trendy, like a common trend that's going on, a fashion video, just mixing it up, like a video about books, about like magic, spells, vanquishing demons, how to work with herbs, like things I'm selling on my Etsy shop, how to use them, like so many fun things. I just want to like mix it all together, guys, because I'm not bland, I'm not boring. I'm like, you know, Lore DIY, that YouTuber Lore, she wishes that she kind of didn't pick that name because she's kind of stuck to being like a DIY channel, but now she's branching out and doing things she loves too. Like, I love doing a lot of things, guys. That's why I changed my name from Mountain Tiger 98 so long ago to Eric Geary, because like anyone, guys, I think a lot of people don't understand that not everyone's life is being documented. Not like I'm the biggest influencer person in the world, but I've been recording my life since I was in like 6th grade. Like, that is so crazy to think about, guys. Like, in those moments, you, like any human, people in school, friends I knew, we all change and we all evolve and we all go through phases. It is so normal. But now I'm at the point where like I just love everything. Like, I love doing DIYs, crafts, home decor, room decor, house decor. I still want to do that, and that's going to take more time to do, but I want to get other bases and foundations set up, like my Etsy shop and other things that I'm working on too. Exciting things, guys. Getting my life together, just evolving, progressing, having time to do my spiritual work. I just have so much I want to do, and it's all like I'm trying to do it at once, so I gotta take it step by step. And with my YouTube channel, I want to like do everything I love, talk about books, reading, vlogs, making fun, yummy vegetarian food because now I'm vegetarian, do spiritual content. So I want to definitely let everything be seen through the eyes of me, of Eric, and let you guys see my magical life through my eyes. So I hope you guys are doing well. And finally, like in my last haul video, I said like things were coming, things I want to do. It's now finally here and it's getting started. I just am so happy that it's finally here and I can do what I want to do and have stable internet, so no blocks there. But anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please turn on those post notifications down below, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe so you're notified for all of my future content. And like always guys, from heaven to earth, from Goddess Nyx's groves, may earth, may air, may fire, by water, by may earth, may air, may fire, may water, may spirit bless you, and Goddess Nyx's loving embrace. May it be as above, so below, so mote it be. May we meet, may we part, may we meet again, magical souls. Blessed be, guys.